everybody. Today I got a question. Would you call a notebook a survival tool? And if you did, what size would you do? Should you do one of these smaller ones? Do one of these bigger ones? And people say, why grab one of these? Why be old school? You have your phone. So many applications that you can do with a notebook. What's so many applications you do a bigger notebook? Well, let's go find out. Another reason for a notepad, if you want to do some notes on the house, see what you need for a hardware store. And by the way, these wires, when you see me take them down, I'll make a video about it. Let me know in the comments. Sorry about the camera. One way for a notepad. You got an accident, you guys can write your name and information down, leave the paper on there, and be on your way. If you're at a grocery store or something, I hope you're not, but you know what I mean. Leave a name and number on there and be on your way. I want to talk about notebooks. What do you guys think about notebooks? Are they a tool? Are they a hassle? Are they... Welcome back to Godly Survival. Hope you guys are doing well. What's your thoughts about notebooks? They have thick notebooks, they have medium notebooks, they have small notebooks, they have little fun design notebooks, they have spiral notebooks, you make your own notebook out of duct tape. What's your thought about notebooks? I think notebooks are pretty handy. I've carried this one around for a while. Nothing special about it. Just a field notebook. The Alpium was on, I think a 5-pack maybe. Not that you guys need to see this, but I have birth dates, I have addresses, I have birth dates, addresses, phone numbers. What about phone numbers? This one I usually keep in my book bag. Here recently I was carrying this one around, and a family and I went to a restaurant here in Hagerstown. Shout out to Rick's Cafe, love you guys. I'm not sponsored by anyone, just shout out to Rick's Cafe. And the family member loves to draw. Well, I remembered that I had this in my back pocket that day, and I said, hey, would you like to draw on this paper? She said, yeah! Super excited. So I grabbed this, I grabbed my Fisher Space Pen, and started doodling. This is still doodles. it's yeah. And then about 20 minutes later, my daughter wanted to doodle, and she started to copy all the little Snoopys around. I am sorry. Come here. Get down. You gotta love cats. I'm a dog person myself, but yeah. Anyway, big lifesaver for kiddos that likes to draw, that likes to doodle, like to trace. Big time saver, big life saver. I would probably never go out without one anymore. It's just for me as important as a knife is, I believe, to always have something to write on, whether it's waterproof or it's regular paper, napkin. If you look in my book bag, you always find something to write on. Yes, I know I have the old trusty phone, but I know a lot of times the phone dies. If it doesn't, even though a phone can take notes, you never run out. Unless you're on the last page, then you're kind of SOL. Please, in the comments below, let me know what you guys think about notebooks, notepads. Do you carry one? Do you know someone that does? What's your everyday carry notebook? Comments down in the comments below. I would love to know. And what's your favorite brand? I'd like to know that too. Yes, I've been carrying this field notebook out for a while in my book bag, and just recently I've been carrying this little Snoopy notepad just for the fun of it. Little cute design. Yeah. Leave comments below. Please like, share, subscribe, and I'd like to see what you guys think. Peace out. I have any